boys and girls, today we're going to keep practicing our subtraction using some 10 frames to help us. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw the whole and then we're going to cross off how many we take away. So the first one says 3, so draw 3 circles. And then it says to take away 2, so we're going to cross off 2. And how many do we have left? It's just 1. Good. On the next one, our whole is 8. So we're going to draw 8 circles in our 10 frame. And then we're going to cross off 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many do we have left? We have 4. Good. On our next one, we have 5 minus 1. So let's do 5 and cross off 1. How many are left? 4. Let's do 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 4. Good. And on our last problem, we have 4. So draw 4 circles. And then we're going to cross off 2. 1, 2. And how many are left? 2. All right, now we're going to do basically the same thing. We're just going to draw a picture. So on the first one, we have 6 that were drawn and we crossed off 2. How many were left? Well, 4. On the next one, we're going to draw 4 and cross off 3. How many are left? 1. Next picture, let's draw 8. There's 8 circles. And how many will we cross off? 7. How many are left? 1. Good. 5. So draw 5. Cross off 1. How many are left? 4. Good. On my next one, I'm going to draw 3. And then I'm going to cross off all 3. And that leaves me with 0. One more. I have 7. And I'm going to cross off 4. And how many do I have left? 3. Very good. Make sure your name is on your paper, turn it into the box, and start on Dreambox.